For this question, Ron's TV Town is going to sell a TV to Becky here, and Becky's going to end up paying $487 for this. And we've been talking about using, if you looked at the last few videos, we've been talking about using the formulas 1 plus R for percent increase and 1 minus R for the percent decrease. And I see I'm going to have to do that 3 times in this question. The 35% markup, right? In that case, your R is 0.35. R is your percentage in decimal form. It's a markup. This is a percent increase. So 1 plus R is going to be 1.35. We're also going to put this on sale for 25% off. So for this factor, R equals 0.25, but we're going to use the 1 minus R since that's taking, there's a decrease, right? So that 1 minus 0.25 is 0.75. And then we have a 6% sales tax. So that's an increase of price. So R is 0.06. Be careful to remember that extra 0. Your 1 plus R is 1.06. All right, so let's put this all in an equation. We know that the cost from the supplier is our starting point. So let's call that C. And if we start with that C value, and then we mark it up by 35%, and then we put on sale for 25% off, and then we add 6% sales tax, we will arrive at what Becky had to pay, which is $487. Okay. All right, so now I have an equation. I can multiply those 3 factors together. I'm getting 1.07325. And that equals 487. So let's divide 487 by that 1.07 number. And I end up with 453.762. And I'm being careful to keep plenty of decimals because I can see in the answer there's 2 decimal places. I want to keep at least 3 in my work so I don't have rounding error. I'm actually keeping more of that on my calculator, but just when I write it down, I write down at least 3. Okay, so let's pay attention to what we got here. This is the cost, but that is not what the question is about. The question is about how much profit, right? And we know that profit equals revenue minus cost. So how much money did Ron get? Well, he got with the money that Becky paid him. That's your revenue. So that's going to equal 487. And what did he have to pay in the first place for this TV? There's your 453. And we are going to do this subtraction. I did that on my calculator and I got 33.238. There's the profit. Now just be careful with your rounding. It says round to the nearest cent. So that's 23 cents, but this 8 means we're going to round it up to 24 cents. B is going to be the correct answer. All right, so be careful for the traps in this question. Right here, there's a trap because if you got the cost but you didn't reread the question, you might have selected D. And here is a trap in case you didn't round correctly. So this is a pretty tricky one.